Hello and welcome back to the Welsh Gardener. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own compost at home. One of the reasons you might want to grow your own compost is because it's way cheaper. Think about with buying bagged compost. One, it has plastic bag on it, so you're saving plastics, and also you just get a lot more for your money when you make your own. And also it can be higher in nutrients, and you can know exactly what goes into it. So if you want to be organic, you know that everything that's going in is organic because you've put it in yourself and you get that sort of feel that you've made it. Now there are several different types of compost bins that you can get. So there's some plastic ones, like here. And then there are also some pallet ones, and then you can also just make a heap and then you just turn it every now and then that will make good compost. If you want to speed up the composting process, then you can get a fork and you can turn your compost bin every few days or whenever you can, and doing this will make it get hotter. It will mix it so you have a more consistent texture to it, and it will also mean that there's nutrients all the way through every single bit of compost. So I'm just going to add some coffee grounds and old tea bags. And also some leaves. And now some leaves. Try and mix it about when you first put it in, because then you'll be able to get a more consistent compost.